Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about how to name variables in shell scripting. So the very first rule here is do not put spaces on either side of the equal sign while assigning some value. So when I'm naming the variable x, between x and this equal to symbol, there is a space which is not allowed, right? Similarly, after this equal to symbol and this value, there is a space which is not allowed. Similarly, here also there is a space, and here also we have a space. So all these cases are not valid. But if you name the variable and just after the variable name, you are writing equal to symbol without spaces and then the value, it is the correct form, right? Similarly, variable name should not start with digits. So here the variable name is starting with a digit. So that is why it is invalid. And here it is starting with alphabet. So it is correct. And also the digit can come in the end, but it should not start. It should not come in the starting, right? The third rule is there should not be any space between the variable names. So if we have a variable which has more than one word, so this is a wrong way because here in between we have a space. So it is invalid. But the other way is we can simply write roll number together or we can separate it with underscore. The next rule is variable can start with alphabet or it can start with underscore. So it is here starting with a very alphabet which is possible or it can start with underscore. Both cases are valid. And the next rule is the variable should not start with special symbols. Like here we have the special character asterisk. It should not start with this. It is going to be invalid. And similarly, it is starting with this question mark. Again, this is invalid. Shell scripting is case sensitive. So small x and capital X, uppercase and lowercase variables are different and values. Now, let's come to the terminal and run all this and understand in a better way. Now let's practically understand how to name a variable. So first point that we discussed was if I write x is equal to 10. Now there is no space between this equal to symbol and the variable name and the value and the equal to symbol. So this is correct, right? And similarly, the other way is, let's say if you put one space between this equal to symbol and x, it is going to give error. So it is saying command not found. So this is incorrect way of assigning the variable. Or if you put a space but there is space between this and this, so if there are two spaces also, again it is going to give you error. Another is, again if here there is one space, again it is going to give you error, right? So there should not be error anywhere. Now let's understand how to name a variable on this terminal. Now the correct way of naming a variable is if you write x is equal to 10 without spaces, then it is correct. But if you introduce even a single space, so this space is going to give error and it is not defined. In this way, you cannot define this variable. Simply, again, if there is one more space between this is also going to give error and it is not defined. The variable is not defined. Or if there is space here and here, then also it is going to give error. Or you can say that it is not defined. So the correct way is simply uh, there should not be any spaces. The second rule was if I have a variable, I can store some value into this, right? But a variable name should not start with a number. So if I say 5 marks is equal to 99, this is incorrect. Why? Because it is starting with a number, right? But what about if a number comes in the end? So let's see if a number comes in the end. Let's say I'm inserting 3 here. So this is correct, right? But what if a number comes in between? Let's see. This is also correct. The only condition is it should not start, the variable name should not start with a digit, but the digit can come in the end or it can also come in between. The next point was there should not be any space between the variable names. So if we have roll space number and if I am assigning some value, this is incorrect. It cannot be defined this way. So the way is either you remove this space, then it is correct, or between this space you try to fill it with this underscore, then also it is correct. So this was the third rule that we understood. Now coming to the next point, a variable name can only start with a letter, so or alphabet. So it can be var is equal to, let's say I'm storing some value, I store 7. This is correct. Similarly, if I start the variable name with underscore, this is also correct, right? Now the next rule is a variable name cannot start with special character, asterisk symbol and then y, and if I'm assigning some value, let's say, then it is incorrect, right? Similarly, here if you are putting any other special character, let's say this, again this is also going to give error. And the last point is, if I have small x is equal to, let's say, 7. So I have defined this, and similarly if I take capital X is equal to 100. Now see, both of them are different, because if I display the value of small x, it is 7, and if I print the value of capital X, then it is 100. So both these variables are storing different values, and this shell scripting is case sensitive. So we should take care of naming the variables. Now there is a question for all of you. And the question is, can we take the Linux command or keywords as variable names? So my question is, can we take it as, let's say we know pwd is a command. So can we assign some value to a command? Is it possible? Or if is a keyword that is used in shell scripting, so is it possible to assign some value to the keyword? As you know very well that in other programming languages, if you are trying to assign some value to the keywords, it is incorrect. But is it possible in scripting? Just think of it and reply in the chat box. Till then, stay tuned to my lecture. Thank you so much.